LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to solve few examples of Euler's theorem. So let's begin with the first topic, that is homogeneous function. A function u is equals to f of x y is called homogeneous function of degree n if f of tx dy is equal to t raised to n f of xy. Okay, so let's see one example. Here we have f of xy as x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4x plus y. What we have to do? We have to find this f of tx dy. Means in place of x, write down tx, in place of y, dy. Okay. So what you will get here? T raised to 4, x raised to 4, okay, plus t raised to 4, y raised to 4. Okay. And here tx dy. Okay. Now take t raised to 4 common from the numerator and t common from the denominator, right? So what you will get? One t will get cancelled. So what you will get over here? T cube, right? So t cube into x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 upon x plus y. Okay, so we have this form, that is f of tx ty is equals to t raised to n f of xy, where n is what? 3, right? So we can say that this f is a homogeneous function of degree 3. Okay, now let's study Euler's theorem. So if u is a function of xy is a homogeneous function of degree n. Okay, so if we have a function u which is a function of xy and it is a homogeneous function of degree n, then this x del u by del x plus y del u by del y equals to nu. Okay, so whenever we have to find this x del u by del x plus y del u by del y, so no need to find this separately, multiply them and simplify. No need to do that. We can directly apply this formula, that is n into u, if this u is a homogeneous function of degree n. Correct? Now again, if u is a function of x, y and it is a homogeneous function of degree n, okay, then x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square is equal to n into n minus 1 u. Okay, so whenever we have to find this term, so we will apply the formula n into n minus 1 into u, but the condition is u must be a homogeneous function of degree n, right? Now let's solve one example. Here given u is x raised to 1 upon 4 plus y raised to 1 upon 4 upon x raised to 1 upon 5 plus y raised to 1 upon 5. Okay, we have to find two things, that is x del u by del x plus y del u by del y and x square del u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square. Okay, so firstly we will check whether this u is a homogeneous function or not. Right, so what we have to do, we have to write u of tx dy. Means in place of x we will write tx, in place of y dy. So here you will get t raised to 1 upon 4 x raised to 1 upon 4 plus t raised to 1 upon 4 y raised to 1 upon 4 upon t raised to 1 upon 5 x raised to 1 upon 5 plus t raised to 1 upon 5 x raised to 1 upon 5. Okay, now you can take common 1 upon t raised to 1 upon 4 from the numerator and t raised to 1 upon 5 from the denominator, and what remains in the bracket is what? X raised to 1 upon 4 plus y raised to 1 upon 4 upon x raised to 1 upon 5 plus y raised to 1 upon 5. Okay, so this is the function u, so we can write here u of x y. Okay, now we have to simplify this, so bring this t here. So you will get t raised to 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, simplify, cross multiply. So 5 minus 4, that is 1 upon 20. So you will get t raised to 1 upon 20 u of x comma y. So we have this form, that is u of tx dy is equal to t raised to n u of xy. So we can say that this u is homogeneous function of degree what? 1 upon 20. Okay, here n is 1 upon 20. So degree is 1 upon 20. Right? Now, next what we have to do, we have to find this x del u by del x plus y del u by del y. Okay, and this u is a homogeneous function, so we will apply Euler's theorem. Okay, so the formula is what? N into u. Answer of n is what? 1 upon 20. So just substitute the answer. So you will get the answer of x del u by del x plus y del u by del y as 1 upon 20 u. Okay. Now next step is to find x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square. Okay, and what is the formula? N into n minus 1 u. Okay, now we know answer of n is 1 upon 20. So here again 1 upon 20 minus 1 into u. Okay, simplify this. So here you will get 1 minus 20, that is minus 19u, upon here you will get 400. Right? So this is your final answer for this term. Okay, now let's study modified Euler's theorem. So the statement is, if u is some function of v and this v is a homogeneous function of degree n, then x del u by del x plus y del u by del y is equal to n fu upon f dash u. Okay, and again, if u is a function of v and v is a homogeneous function of degree n, then x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square is equals to g of u into g dash u minus 1, where this g of u is what? N f u upon f dash u. Okay, so this answer we have to consider as g of u and we have to substitute over here and simplify, so you will get the answer of this term. Okay, now let's solve an example. Show that x del u by del x plus y del u by del y is equal to sine 2u and x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square is equal to 2 sine u cos 3 if u is equal to tan inverse x square plus 2y square is given. Okay, now here u is equal to tan inverse x square plus 2y square is given. So bring this tan inverse over here. So you will get tan u is equals to x square plus 2y square. Right? Now we will check whether this function, that is v of x comma y, that is x square plus 2y square is homogeneous or not. So for that we have to write v of tx ty. So you will get here t square x square plus 2 t square y square. Okay, now take t square common, so you will get x square plus 2y square. So this is v of xy. So t square of v of xy. So we can say that this v is a homogeneous function of degree 2, right? And this f of u is what? Tan u, right? Now the first step is to find x del u by del x plus y del u by del y. Okay, so the formula is what? N fu upon f dash u. Now we know n is 2 and fu, that is tan u, right? And f dash means sec square u. Okay, now convert everything in the form of sine and cos, right? So in place of tan u, we can write sine u upon cos u and bring this sec square u in the numerator. So you will get here cos square u. Okay, this one cos u will get cancelled. 2 sine u into cos u, it will give you answer sine 2u. Okay, this is what we want to prove. Now the next step is to find x square del square u by del x square plus 2xy del square u by del x del y plus y square del square u by del y square. So the formula is what? Gu into g dash u minus 1. Okay, now we have to take this as g of u. So substitute the answer. So you will get here sine 2u into. Now derivative of sine 2u is what? 2 cos 2u minus 1. Multiply this inside. So you will get here 2 sine 2u cos 2u minus sine 2u. Okay. Now we will apply the formula 2 sine 2u into cos 2u. It will give you sine 4u, right? Sine 4u minus sine 2u. Okay. Now again we have to apply this formula, that is s minus s is what? 2cs, right? So you will get 2 cos here 4u plus 2u, that is 6u divided by 2. So you will get 3u into, now 4u minus 2u, that is 2u divided by 2. So you will get here sine u. Okay, so the answer of this term is what? 2 cos 3u sine u. Okay, this is what we want to prove. So I hope you have understood throughout the session. Thank you for watching.